Hundreds of thousands of Nissan vehicles are still on the road, but only 3 engines have truly earned a 300,000-mile reputation. Like and subscribe as we reveal the proven engineering behind Nissan's longest-lasting power plants. 3. Nissan VG33E, 1996 to 2004. If there were ever an engine that proved reliability doesn't need flashy technology, this is it. It never chased horsepower records or relied on turbochargers and complicated electronics to impress buyers. Instead, Nissan built it around one simple philosophy: keep the design strong, keep it simple, and keep it working. More than 2 decades later, this philosophy is exactly why thousands of these engines are still starting every morning with well over 300,000 miles on the odometer. The VG33E was produced from 1996 through 2004 and powered some of Nissan's toughest vehicles, including the Frontier, Xterra, Pathfinder, and several international patrol models. Producing between 170 and 180 horsepower depending on application, these numbers don't seem remarkable today. This is exactly what makes this engine special. Nissan never asked the VG33E to operate anywhere near its mechanical limits, and engines that spend their lives working below their maximum potential almost always reward their owners with exceptional longevity. The foundation of the VG33E begins with its cast iron block. Unlike lightweight aluminum blocks designed primarily to save fuel, cast iron absorbs repeated heat cycles exceptionally well. Every time an engine reaches operating temperature and cools back down, the block expands and contracts. Over hundreds of thousands of miles, those cycles create stress throughout the engine. Cast iron handles that stress remarkably well, resisting distortion and maintaining cylinder integrity long after many lighter engines begin showing signs of wear. Bolted to that block are aluminum cylinder heads, creating a combination that Nissan had already refined over years of production. The iron block provides strength where it's needed most, while the aluminum heads improve heat dissipation. It's a proven formula that balances durability with everyday drivability. Another reason the VG33E lasts so long is what it doesn't have: no turbocharger, no direct injection, and no variable compression system. Instead, the VG33E relies on multi-port fuel injection, a system that's remarkably simple by today's standards. Fuel is sprayed into the intake ports before entering the combustion chamber, continuously washing over the intake valves during normal operation. The constant fuel flow naturally reduces carbon accumulation, eliminating one of the expensive maintenance items that many modern direct injected engines eventually require. This simplicity matters more than many buyers realize. Every additional component added to an engine introduces another possible failure point. Turbochargers require high-speed bearings operating at well over 100,000 revolutions per minute. High-pressure fuel pumps work under enormous pressure. Variable valve timing systems add more oil passages, more sensors, and more electronic controls. Individually, each technology offers advantages. Collectively, they create more opportunities for expensive repairs as vehicles age. The VG33E largely avoids that problem by sticking to proven engineering instead of chasing complexity. The VG33E's biggest maintenance requirement is replacing its timing belt every 100,000 to 105,000 miles, as neglecting it can lead to serious engine damage. Fortunately, timing belt replacement is predictable maintenance rather than an unexpected failure. Budgeting around $600 to $1,000 depending on labor rates is far less painful than replacing a turbocharger or rebuilding a direct injection fuel system. Rather than springing costly failures on its owners, the VG33E simply rewards consistent maintenance. Cooling system maintenance is equally important. Like many engines of its era, overheating is far more dangerous than ordinary wear. Keeping the radiator, thermostat, water pump, and coolant in good condition prevents the excessive temperatures that shorten the life of almost any engine. Do that consistently, and the VG33E rewards owners with astonishing durability. Whether it's daily commuting, weekend trail driving, or the occasional delayed oil change, the KA24DE is remarkably forgiving and rarely punishes owners immediately. The tolerance is exactly why these engines earn such loyal followings among off-road enthusiasts. True reliability is measured not by how an engine performs under perfect conditions, but by how well it endures when conditions aren't. Parts availability is another major advantage. As the VG33E powered several high-volume Nissan models across multiple markets, replacement parts remain widely available. Water pumps, alternators, sensors, gaskets, radiators, ignition components, even completely used engines can still be sourced without extraordinary expense. Independent repair shops are familiar with the design, keeping labor costs reasonable compared to newer engines filled with proprietary electronics. You'll also notice something interesting when browsing owner forums. Discussions rarely revolve around catastrophic internal engine failures. Instead, owners talk about replacing belts, hoses, starters, or suspension components because the rest of the truck is aging before the engine does. This is usually one of the strongest indicators of exceptional engine design. People stop worrying about the engine itself and start maintaining everything around it. The VG33E isn't Nissan's fastest, smoothest, or most fuel-efficient engine, but longevity was always its greatest strength. The VG33E proves that true longevity comes from minimizing mechanical stress and unnecessary complexity, not chasing impressive specifications. If your goal is 300,000 miles rather than outright performance, the VG33E is one of Nissan's most dependable engines, quietly earning one of the strongest durability reputations in the company's history. Impressive as the VG33E is, the next engine eliminated its biggest maintenance drawback, replacing the timing belt with a timing chain while delivering greater refinement, performance, and equally remarkable longevity. Before we continue, like the video and subscribe because we're about to reveal Nissan's top 2 longest-lasting engines, explain why they earned their rankings, and finish with the key lesson behind lasting reliability. 2. Nissan VQ35DE 2002 to 2012. If the VG33E earned its reputation through rugged simplicity, the VQ35DE proved that an engine could embrace modern engineering without sacrificing long-term durability. It was smoother, more powerful, and significantly more refined than the V6 it replaced. More importantly, it became one of the most respected engines Nissan has ever produced, earning repeated recognition while quietly carrying countless owners well beyond the 300,000-mile mark. Produced in various forms from 2002 onward, the VQ35DE found its way into an enormous range of Nissan vehicles. The 350Z, Maxima, Altima, Murano, Pathfinder, Quest, and several Infiniti models all relied on some version of this engine. Depending on the application, output ranged from roughly 240 to over 300 horsepower, making it one of the most versatile, naturally aspirated V6 engines of its era. Impressive power figures alone don't earn the VQ35DE its place on this list. It's the balance of performance and reliability that truly sets it apart. Unlike many manufacturers that extracted every last horsepower through forced induction or increasingly complex technology, Nissan developed the VQ35DE around a naturally aspirated design. Power came from efficient airflow, variable valve timing, and careful engineering rather than excessive boost pressure, resulting in lower cylinder pressures, cooler operating temperatures, and less stress on internal components. The VQ35DE features an aluminum block and heads, but Nissan reinforced its lightweight design with a rigid bottom end and durable internal components. Another major advantage is its timing chain, which, unlike the VG33E's timing belt, is designed to last the life of the engine with proper maintenance, eliminating one of the biggest recurring maintenance costs for older Nissan V6 owners. Clean oil is essential because the timing chain tensioners rely on proper oil pressure to function correctly. Neglect oil changes, allow sludge to develop, and even the strongest timing chain system can begin showing premature wear. Maintain the engine properly, however, and the timing chain becomes one of the VQ35DE's greatest long-term strengths. The VQ35DE combines multi-port fuel injection, a naturally aspirated design, variable valve timing, and a durable timing chain to minimize maintenance and mechanical stress. Although some early engines developed gradual oil consumption, proper monitoring kept them running reliably, while affordable parts, widespread mechanic familiarity, and smooth everyday performance further reinforced its reputation as one of Nissan's most dependable V6 engines. It doesn't need to work especially hard to merge onto highways or climb mountain grades. Having sufficient power in reserve means the engine spends much of its life operating well below its maximum capacity. Lower average engine stress generally leads to slower wear on bearings, pistons, and valve train components over hundreds of thousands of miles. Browse Nissan owner forums today and you'll find countless examples of VQ35DE powered vehicles crossing 250,000 or even 300,000 miles with little more than routine maintenance. When routine maintenance like oil changes and spark plugs becomes the biggest ownership story instead of catastrophic engine failures, you know you're looking at a truly reliable engine. The VQ35DE modernized Nissan's V6 lineup by delivering enjoyable performance while proving that refinement and long-term reliability could coexist. For many drivers, the VQ35DE offers the perfect balance of old-school dependability and modern drivability reliability, but one even simpler Nissan engine ultimately earned the top spot. What it became was something far more valuable, a power plant with one of the largest collections of documented 300,000-mile success stories in Nissan history. And that's exactly why it earns the #1 spot on this forever list. 1. Nissan KA24DE, 1989 to 2004. If you've spent time around Nissan enthusiasts, you've heard of the KA24DE. Not for impressive horsepower, but for earning a reputation as one of Nissan's toughest, longest-lasting engines that simply refuses to quit. The KA24DE powered vehicles like the hard-body pickup, Frontier, and the legendary 240SX, producing between 140 and 155 horsepower depending on the application. On paper, these numbers seem modest by today's standards. This is exactly why this engine has survived where so many others haven't. Nissan never pushed it anywhere near its mechanical limits. Instead, they built an engine with generous safety margins, oversized internal components, and enough strength to handle far more abuse than most owners would ever subject it to. The first thing that separates the KA24DE from many modern four-cylinder engines is its cast iron block. This decision added weight, but it also added durability. Cast iron handles repeated thermal expansion exceptionally well and maintained cylinder stability over hundreds of thousands of heat cycles. Rather than chasing lower weight and better fuel economy, Nissan built the KA24DE with longevity in mind, and its durability still speaks for itself today. Above the block sits an aluminum dual overhead cam cylinder head, giving the engine excellent breathing characteristics while keeping the overall design relatively straightforward. It was an ideal combination, strong where strength mattered most and efficient where cooling mattered most. The KA24DE's durability also comes from what it doesn't have: no turbocharger, no direct injection, no variable compression system, and no hybrid complexity. Instead, the KA24DE uses multi-port fuel injection, delivering fuel through a simple, proven system that has earned decades of real-world validation. Fuel continuously passes over the intake valves, helping minimize carbon deposits without requiring specialized cleaning procedures. It's a design that prioritizes consistency over complexity. This is a pattern you've probably noticed throughout this countdown. The engines that reach 300,000 miles aren't defined by the latest technology, but by eliminating unnecessary failure points through simple, proven engineering. Like the VQ35DE, the KA24DE's timing chain eliminates routine belt replacements and often lasts the engine's lifetime with proper oil changes. Even when timing chain guides wear, they usually provide ample warning before failure. Combined with its low specific output, the KA24DE places less stress on internal components, allowing pistons, bearings, rods, and the crankshaft to withstand hundreds of thousands of miles. The KA24DE was built to operate at a steady, low-stress pace, rewarding owners with exceptional longevity in exchange for simple maintenance, such as regular oil changes, coolant service, spark plugs, and filters. These are inexpensive services almost any independent repair shop can perform. Even many owners choose to handle them at home because the engine bay remains relatively accessible compared to today's tightly packaged powertrains. Parts availability also deserves recognition. As Nissan installed the KA24DE across several extremely popular models, aftermarket support remains outstanding. Whether you need sensors, timing components, water pumps, ignition parts, or even complete long blocks, finding replacement components is rarely difficult. Competition among suppliers also helps keep prices reasonable, reducing the overall cost of ownership. The true measure of an engine's reliability comes not from brochures, but from the long-term experiences of the people who own and maintain it. Visit any Nissan owner forum and you'll find KA24DE engines surpassing 300,000 miles with little more than routine maintenance. Its simple engineering, proven components, manageable upkeep, and minimal complexity earned it the top spot, proving that lasting reliability comes from durability, not chasing the latest technology. This is the formula behind Nissan's longest-lasting power plants, and it's why the VG33E, VQ35DE, and KA24DE remain the three engines most likely to carry you beyond 300,000 miles. Before we wrap up, there's one final recommendation worth discussing because not everyone shopping for a used Nissan will be able to find a clean KA24DE, VQ35DE, or VG33E. High mileage survivors are becoming harder to locate every year, and conditions often matter more than the engine code stamped on the block. If I had to recommend one alternative, it would be the Nissan QR25DE, but only the later, improved versions. Early QR25DE engines earned a mixed reputation because of issues like excessive oil consumption and catalytic converter failures on certain models. Nissan gradually addressed many of those weaknesses, and the later engines became significantly more dependable. While they don't quite match the legendary 300,000-mile reputation of today's top three, a well-maintained QR25DE is still capable of delivering years of reliable service. More importantly, this highlights the biggest lesson from this entire countdown. Engine reputation is only half the story. A neglected KA24DE can fail far earlier than expected, while a carefully maintained QR25DE can outlast engines that look better on paper. Service history, regular oil changes, cooling system maintenance, and evidence that previous owners fixed small problems before they became expensive ones will almost always matter more than marketing claims or horsepower figures. If you're shopping for any used Nissan, spend less time chasing the perfect engine and more time inspecting maintenance records. Look for clean coolant, consistent oil change intervals, smooth cold starts, and signs that routine maintenance was never ignored. These details tell you far more about an engine's future than the badge on the tailgate ever will. In the end, the engines that reach 300,000 miles aren't simply the ones with the strongest engineering, they're the ones that combine proven design with owners who consistently take care of them. This is the formula that keeps a Nissan on the road long after many newer vehicles have already disappeared. Whether you own a Nissan or plan to buy one, understanding engineering saves money. Like the video, subscribe, and stay tuned for more research-driven breakdowns of the world's most reliable vehicles.